Welcome back. This is part two of this tutorial on how to create your own website. Now, if you've listened to the 9 minutes 18 seconds worth of the first tutorial, you will know that we created the blog. Well, the second part is how to transform the blog into your website, and that will take less than 10 minutes. So we need to go back to our website, and here we are on the Google web page, and you'll recognize that, www.google.co.uk. Well, you remember from the end of the last tutorial that the website I had created was called www.samandwordpress.wordpress.com. That was the name of the site. Press enter, and there we go. We're back at the site again. Now, just to remind everyone about the different components of this web address. This is now your web address. Okay, that will always be your web address. So when you're at that step, previously I can't remember which step it is. It's maybe step. Is it step 2? Remember and choose a name that you'll be happy with. So you can call it, as I said, Dundee Ludo Club or the Northeast Guinea Pig Fanciers. I mean, these are really long words, and really you want something really, short as possible. But I chose to call mine Sam and WordPress. This .wordpress.com will always accompany your website, okay, unless you choose to pay for a domain name, which will take that out, and you can have your own Sam at WordPress.com. But for the moment, your free website will be this, a name in there, .wordpress.com. So here we are. We're at my website that I've created, and it's a blog format, which means it's got posts. And you'll see. Remember, I spoke about the admin name. Well, don't choose an admin name with any swear words or anything rude or anything like that in it, because people will see it. Okay, so keep it clean. Choose something that you don't mind people seeing. So what we've got to do, we've got to log in. And so we go down here, log in, and up here is the login page, and we're logging into the blog. And I wrote all this down, so it is username Sam45admin, I think that was it. The password, which I'm not going to read out. Okay, and log in. And we're waiting for it, waiting for it. Bob's your uncle. That's me now. I'm at a place now called the dashboard, and I'm just going to talk you very quickly through the dashboard and where things are. So this is the dashboard. Up here, this is the clickable link, and this will always, when you click that, this will always take you to your website. Okay. Now what I want to do is to remind you what we're doing here. We're creating a content management system which enables you to put the content into your WordPress, into your website. Think of it like your car. This is the car. This is the top of the car, if you like. This is its appearance that everybody can see. But say something, people want to tune it, or something goes wrong, you've got to lift the bonnet and go underneath and look at the engine, and that's when you go to, that's when you go and log in. Maybe you went down here to log in, and when you look at the site administration, which is the dashboard, that's you looking at the engine. So this is the background. This is the system behind the website, and this is the content management system. And very briefly, when I get started, I'm going to be referring to the left-hand side links, and these are the left-hand side links there. Okay, so go back to your instructions, and we are now we've done the website dashboard, and you can read through the details there. We're now going to create pages in order to convert our website into convert the blog into a website. So go to step 5, creating pages. Halfway down, click on pages. You'll see the page change. We're now on the edit pages, and what it's getting you to do, what the instructions which I wrote are getting you to do, is to create a whole bunch of pages. Okay, so create the ones you want, and I'm going to create a couple here. So I'm going to go for How do we create them? Well, you go down here, just get rid of that. Go down here and it's add new. So I'm going to add new page, and I'm going to call it up here, I'm going to call it home, and then I'm going to go across here to this side of the website where it says publish. I'm going to publish that, and once that's done, yeah, make sure that's done. This little wheel thing here turns. Still waiting for it. Okay, that's it done. I'm going to create a couple more, add new, and you know, a website often has a contact page called contact, and go across the other side and click publish. So we've got home, about, contact, and I'm going to put news. I'm going to add new down here. I'm going to put news there. Go back here, press publish. I don't think it went, did it? Press it again. There it goes, this little wheel. I'm going to create one more. So wait till it's finished turning. Bingo. Go back here, add new, and you'll also find quite commonly links. There you go. Oops, go across the other side and publish. There we go. Okay, so while that's finishing, I'm just looking down the instructions, and we're now moving to step 6, which is transforming the blog into a website. Okay, this is where we finally do it. I'm just going to check out. I'm 7 minutes into it, and you get the finger out because, once again, to remind you, I've only got 10 minutes for the maximum duration of a YouTube video, which I'm logging these up to. So look at step 6. What we've got to do is we've got to turn to the left hand column and click on the settings link at the very bottom of the site. So we're on the left hand here, and we're going to look down here, and there it is, settings. Click on that. Settings there, and you see it expands settings. There's all these little options in here. Now I'm going to click on the title, the section entitled reading, and this page here is changed, and I'll go to the top there, and you see it says reading settings here. And what I'm going to do is at the top of the page, immediately under the reading settings, you'll find the section called front page displays. That's this setting here, and I'm going to, there's two options here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the one which says a static page. Click that instead of posts. Click that, and the front page I'm going to make is home. That'll be the front page, the main page. And the post page I'm going to make news. And then I'm going to go to the very bottom here. Get to the bottom of the website, of the page rather. Click Save Changes, and that's that done. Now there are more things to do, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to let me see. Oh, I've got some important adjustments to make, and I see I'm running over, so I'm 8 minutes 41. So we've done that. They're going to create a third tutorial just in order to get through this. It's taking longer than I had thought, so we've just finished step 6, and now we're on another section, which is making some important adjustments which will make this website, this blog, function like a website. So I'm going to press stop here, and you're going to join me for the third tutorial.